Healthy turmeric ginger tea is a simple, flavorful and healthy drink that is made by simmering ground turmeric and grated ginger in hot water. It is a popular traditional Ayurvedic remedy in India, known for its many health benefits, including reducing inflammation, improving digestion, boosting immunity, and promoting overall wellness. The tea is naturally sweetened with honey and has a tangy flavor that can be enhanced with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. It is easy to prepare and can be enjoyed any time of day. Ingredients: 1 cup of water, 1/2 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1/2 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice optional. Instructions: bring 1 cup of water to a boil in a small pot. Add 1/2 teaspoon of ground turmeric and 1/2 teaspoon of grated ginger to the water. Reduce the heat to low and simmer the mixture for 5 to 10 minutes until the water turns golden in color. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh strainer or a tea infuser into a cup. Stir in 1 teaspoon of honey to sweeten the tea. Add 1/2 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, if desired, to add a tangy flavor and enhance the absorption of turmeric. Stir well and enjoy your healthy turmeric ginger tea. Note: you can adjust the amount of honey and lemon juice to taste. You can also add a dash of black pepper to enhance the absorption of turmeric.